It's a total game changer. If you have lived this long in an RV without one, what are you even doing? You have to get one. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, we live in a 26-foot Class C motorhome full-time, and I thought it would be fun to show you the top 5 things that we have to have that really make life on the road so much better. Oh, hi! Am I standing with my clothes on in the shower? Yes, I am. But this leads us to our number 5 on the list. And now these are in order of least important to most important in our opinion, but these are the top 5. We have a list of 50, but number 5 is our Oxygenics shower head. This is amazing. We bought one of these for our travel trailer, and it's a game changer. It uses the least amount of water possible, but has a really good pressure. Let me turn it on for you. It has the little flippy handle thing, and this particular one has like settings, but I mean, I barely have the water on. I don't want to get myself wet. And it sprays so good. So if you are into conserving water, I suggest you get one of these because they're pretty amazing. We don't know what we would do without ours. And then while we were in the bathroom, we have the next item. So we have the extending shower rod. So this had just a rod that went across, you know, your typical RV shower rod. And we also bought one of these in the trailer, and it makes a huge difference because it gives you so much more space, right? So it just extends out, and it gives you so much more space in the shower. We do have a fairly small bathroom, so I mean, you can still use the toilet if you need to, because it still gives you space here, but it also gives you so much more elbow room, and it makes a world of difference, I'm telling you. And then when you're done using the shower rod, you simply just push it in. And then it also gives you so much more space, like right here in the toilet area, you know, to do your business. You can stretch out. So yes, those are the 2 things in the bathroom. That is number 5, and number 4 on the list is the Oxygenic shower head. I'll link everything down below in case you're interested. And then the expanding shower rod. And there's different versions of each, but I will link the ones that, each one that we have for you down below. Do a voiceover for the next 2 clips because it was so windy outside you cannot understand a single word I'm saying. So number 3 has 2 items, a surge protector and a water regulator. We have lots of valuable electronics in the motorhome that we don't want, you know, blowing up or catching on fire or just, you know, being damaged. And the pedestals are kind of old in a lot of places, and you don't know what kind of power is coming in there. So it is best to have yourself a surge protector. And then, because really it's in the same area, you hook up, you know, the water is usually near the electric. We have the water regulator. And this just makes sure that you don't get a lot of pressure, water pressure coming into your motorhome or trailer. We had an incident where we had too much water pressure coming into our trailer, and it blew our lines, and we had water everywhere. It was a huge flood. We've already had a flood in the motorhome. We don't need another one, but yeah, we want to make sure that we can do whatever we can to keep things safe. So we make sure and have a surge protector and a water regulator. And yes, I know those aren't like luxury items, but I'm telling you, if your house catches on fire or if you have a flood, it's going to be a big, huge bummer. So, you know, for peace of mind, it got a spot on our list as the number 3 items because really we wouldn't travel without them. And then number 2 on our list, we have the backup camera. This is the outside version of the backup camera, or the portion of the backup camera. I'll show you the inside here in a little bit, but it just runs to the inside with Bluetooth. This is the Halo View camera. Again, I'll link everything down below. But it makes a huge difference being able to see. So yeah, we definitely love this. We have moved to the front of the motorhome and we're set up, so we're not driving. But number 2 on our list is the Halo View backup camera. And what's nice about this is there's no wires. So there's not a wire ran to the back. Dale has it hooked up on the ladder with some power back there. This is in the front, and then we just hit a switch in the cab and it turns it on. So we don't have to have it on all the time, because generally when I'm just like, cruising around, I don't have to have it on. If I'm in a lot of traffic and I need to change lanes, I make sure and turn it on. That way I can see where I'm going. But yeah, it is so nice to be able to see what's going on behind you, because it was pretty difficult. And bonus, when you're pulling into spots, you're backing up to things. This is a parallel spot we're in right now. But when you back into spots, I turn this on all the time because I can see how far I'm going. I can see my sewer connections on the side, so I know exactly where I need to be. So this is huge, huge. I love this. This was kind of tied for number 1, but spoiler, the Starlink beat out the backup camera. And then number 1 on our list is our Starlink. We've really only had the Starlink for 3 weeks now, but it has made such a huge difference with work, with entertainment. We can stream whatever we want with like no lag. We can both be on our phones. I can work from home, upload videos, which, oh my goodness, it was such a task to be able to upload the videos. I drove all over the place, and you have to have pretty good Wi-Fi to or internet service to upload videos. So yep, we have our Starlink little router modem, the brains right here, and then we have our little we have our Starlink up on the hatch. We just throw our Starlink right out the hatch. She lives right there on the roof, and then her little parts and pieces are right down here. So those are our top 5 must-haves for living in an RV full-time. Comment down below, do you guys have some of your own top 5s? What is something that maybe we don't have listed that you're like, listen, we can't live without this? Because I would love to know that also, because I'm always willing to add some things, and if it's going to make our life on the road that much better, we are here for it, that's for sure. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We would really appreciate that. That helps out a bunch. Don't forget to comment down below some of your favorite RV finds, and hit that subscribe button if you're new. We have lots of RV and travel content. Also a little cooking is sprinkled in there, so if you're into that, hit that subscribe button and stick around. Hit that bell notification so you know every time we upload a video. And oh, that brings me to the new updated upload schedule. So we are going to start uploading every Wednesday. So every Wednesday at 6 a.m. Pacific time, there will be a new Dose Max video. And if there's a bonus video, those will be posted on Sunday. So be sure to hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload one. If I get to upload one of those little bonus videos, you don't want to miss out. Otherwise, we'll see you here every Wednesday morning.